I also have this Martin D-15 electric cutaway. The action is pretty extreme on this, and like I've mentioned in so many previous videos, it's not just that the action is high and it's horrible to play because you need a vice grip for a left hand to fret the thing, but even if you have the brute strength to play it like that, it doesn't do you any good because you pull all the notes sharp. The further you go up the neck, the sharper the notes get. So it's not just a matter of playability. Of course, when we're done, it'll play smooth as silk and it will be perfectly in tune. But it needs address at the neck junction. That intersection at the neck to body junction is always complicated a little bit further when you have that cutaway. So there's a little bit more of a rise on the treble side than there is on the bass side. What's happened is the previous setup, the guy hiked up the strings till the buzzing went away. I don't know how many times you've heard me say this. That's not the way to take care of it. We need to address the inconsistency in the lay of the neck and the frets first, and then you set the action wherever you want it. We've taken care of all those inconsistencies at the neck to body junction, and we've checked it with a straight edge and recrowned. We're just getting ready to buff out and polish, and then we'll be able to drop that action down and get it nice and silky smooth for Jody. Our fret dress, level crown and polish is done now. We got that nut out nice and clean, happy with that. So we'll make our compensated nut, and now we'll be able to drop that action down nice and silky smooth.